Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today we are going to talk about how to clear cache on HP laptop and why it is important for better performance. Now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. First press the Windows and R keys together on your keyboard. This opens the Run Dialog box, which helps you quickly access system folders. It is useful for removing temporary files stored by Windows. Step 2. Now type %temp% and press enter. This will open the temporary files folder where your system keeps cached files. These files can slow down your laptop if they build up over time. Step 3. Once the folder opens, press Ctrl and A to select everything inside, then press the delete key on your keyboard. This clears unnecessary cached files and frees up storage space. Method 2. Step 1. Press the Windows key on your keyboard. This opens the Start menu, which allows you to search for built-in tools easily. Step 2. Type Disk Cleanup and open it. Disk Cleanup is a Windows utility that helps remove system cache and unused files safely. Step 3. Select your main drive, which is usually C drive. This is where most system files and cache are stored. Then wait for the tool to calculate how much space can be freed. Step 4. Check options like temporary files, thumbnails, and recycle bin. If you want, these files are safe to delete and help improve system performance. Step 5. Finally click OK and then select Delete Files. This completes the cleanup process and helps your HP laptop run smoother and faster. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.